We're just in a small quarry here, and you can see how intensely oxidized the rocks are. Well, we've actually located 1, 2, and a third one down there, hidden, showings of sulfides. One of the samples down there, I say really good for gold, silver, and some copper. You can see all these little stringer here veins. What we want to do is give this quarry a once over and see if we can't find any more veins. Just a grab sample we found at our feet. You can see coarse grained iron pyrite there in a chloratized schist. And another sample here, which is very similar. Another couple of grab samples here. Have a little bit of quartz here. Most of the schists here are hosting disseminated iron pyrite. Here is one of the veins here. You can see your intense schistose rock here with quartz stringers through it, and you have disseminated mineral going up the whole outcrop here, and you have a solid vein up there. Here you can see your yellowish staining on the rock. It's from your sulfides. In between the layers you have disseminated pyrite. Basically every single layer here of your schistose rock, similar to this. Very thin layers of mineral. I think we have a large enough sample here of our vein material. Opened up that vein a bit better, and you can see about 50%, 60% of your rock is mineralized with pyrite, but you do have some chalcopyrite in there as well. Here is another piece. So loads more sulfide staining, oxidization. Basically what we're seeing is just loads of disseminated mineral throughout your host rock. But we did find that one new small little vein. Everything just looks like this. And then you have multiple stringers all throughout. Here is the other showing, and you can see you have chalcopyrite and pyrite with quartz. So we found a pod here of massive sulfides, and you can see just how much sulfides are in here. And this is basically just solid mineral, I'd say about 80 to 90%, with a little bit of quartz in your matrix. And look at here. have more sulfides. And I'm seeing some really nice samples right here. That looks interesting. This looks like it might be another vein here. Some of your rocks that have been broken off have loads of pyrite in them as well. A couple more grab samples here of solid mineral, pyrite and chalcopyrite. So that's it. Always double check and triple check your work, because new things get exposed when it rains, when rocks fall, and you can see everything is just muddy, so always double check your work.